John Wake with Arizona Real Estate Notebook, and we're looking at this page here, the weekly data, and I just updated it for this week, July 30th. Let's scroll down and look at it. Well, the interesting thing to see is obviously the number of homes for sale has just skyrocketed over the last 3 months. It's it's going up a little more slowly now. The distance between each week is going up a little bit less, but it's still headed up. And a fascinating thing is you look at the number of homes newly listed for sale, it's gone up a little bit. And you see the number of homes sold, it's gone down a little bit, but it leads to, over time, this huge increase in the number of homes for sale. Scroll down a little bit more, you can look at the change from a year earlier. You can see that, for example, the number of homes for sale is up almost triple what it was a year ago at this time. And here's an interesting thing, a little bit of a good news is the number of homes that are hitting the market was higher for a long time there, and now it's kind of dismissed. This last data is always updated, but the last couple of weeks it's come down a little bit. So the number of homes hitting the market is coming down a little bit, but the number of home sales is still a lot lower than it was a year ago, and that adds up to a huge increase in the number of homes for sale. Also, you look at the under contract. These under contract homes are going to lead to the number of homes for sale being continue to be low. Also of interest is Catherine Rieger of the Arizona Republic came out with an article today saying Metro Phoenix median home prices are set to drop $25,000, but don't expect a crash. And here you go. And our data is coming from Tom Ruff, who is an excellent analyst. So, and he has the data for most of July anyway, so you should be able to say it's coming down 25,000. Yikes. Is there any good news? Well, if you are buying and selling at the same time, it doesn't matter. Whether the prices are high or low or going up or going down, if you're buying and selling at the same time, it's pretty much a wash. So, in fact, it's probably easier to buy and sell now. Now, you got to realize that prices are probably going to go down. The house you own now is probably going to go down, and the house you buy is probably going to be headed down too. But if you do it at the same time, you're better. And 6 months ago, or even 3 months ago, if you're buying and selling at the same time, it was a problem because there were so few homes for sale. If you sold, could you find the house you wanted to buy? Now there's a huge supply, so that's a less of an issue. The big issue is you don't want to be caught owning both of those homes at the same time. If prices are going down, that's not good. So your real estate agent can help you with that to make sure that doesn't happen. Great. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I appreciate it. Take care.